that we skip some 30 minutes of the train ride, but no problem because the best part of the journey is from Poschiavo to the glaciers to St. Moritz, because this has been a very dry and windy time, recently. So a lot of fires, and maybe they damaged some part of the railway. I don't know. Anyway, you have the train from Poschiavo at 11:36. Before there, then we stop on our way to Poschiavo for a break, for a cappuccino and a breakfast. Okay. So we arrive in St. Moritz at 1:35. So it's about less than 2 hours train ride. And you have free time in St. Moritz, where you can go shopping or to the restaurant and so on. And then at 3:15 we'll leave from St. Moritz, and we'll be in Milan around 6:30 p.m. Okay, this afternoon. So you have the radios. The radios are mainly for our train ride, when I will explain you something about what we see by the train. Okay, for the rest we don't need it, because in St. Moritz we have very short time. I give you free time because St. Moritz is for the landscapes, for the luxury hotels and restaurants, boutiques, but nothing else. So I wish you a good trip. On our way to Poschiavo, I will tell you something, because we'll drive all along the Lake Como, so we have a beautiful view over the lake. And so I will explain you a little bit about that area, the Valtellina, the Italian Alps, and so on. Okay, thank you. By the way, our driver is Mario. Good morning, Mario.
Good morning. So yan. So good morning po muli sa aking mga viewers. So ngayon ay magtutour na naman kami from Milan, going to St. Moritz, Switzerland. So sa ngayon nakasakay kami sa coach going to Tirano, and then Tirano by train going to Switzerland. So mamaya ipapasyal ko na naman kayo doon sa aming pupuntahan, para please may share ko sa inyo yung aming experience. So please like, share, subscribe sa aking YouTube channel para lagi kayo updated sa aking mga video na pinupost. Dahil po sa bawat subscribe nyo, kayo po ay nakatulong sa aking layunin na makatulong sa kapwa, dahil po aking channel is for charity. So tayo po na sumasalo sa YouTube, lahat ng nakikitain ko ay ibibigay ko sa kapwa-kapwa. So please like, share, and subscribe. Mahaba-haba ating tunnel, ha?
Very famous for the beauty of the landscape, because you see the view over the Prealps. The mountains of the Prealps, it's the short range of mountains before the Alps. And during the century, the aristocratic families from Milan, they built their villa, of pleasure to spend their summer holiday in this area, and also in Lake Como mainly. This area is also known because it's a very active, economically speaking, active area with a lot of activities, mainly small companies that produce furnitures, interior designer company here. So it's a very active area, and also people from Milan like to spend maybe the weekend or the Sunday afternoon visiting these small villages around this area. Okay, here to the right you have the view over the Andone Lake. We have 5 of them, very small lakes. They are quite similar to lagoons, they are not very deep. But they have the same origin of the Lake Como. They were carved by the glaciers over the centuries. And also this is a very good area. This is a natural park. People come here for fishing or going around the lakes and enjoy the view. These lakes were also reported drawn by Leonardo da Vinci when he came to Milan, and he studied a way to connect Lake Como to Milan directly with some canals. Is Lecco. You know, the Lake Como is a kind of as a shape, reverse Y shape, you know, with 2 parts. Ski mainly for learning, you know, because you know these ski resorts are not very famous, and they don't have so many slopes like.
Itong tunnel na naman. So this is the lake. Okay, so this is the lake, Lake Como, the arm of Lecco, and you see the beauty of the lake. And again, you see the granite quarries over there, and so they also are used now. Lake Como, you know, has become one of the most popular tourist destination recently in Italy. Last year we had some 5 million visitors from all around the world. And you know, this lake is of a glacier origin and is the deepest lake in Italy. It's the maximum depth is around Bellagio. It's 421 meters deep. Of course, it's fresh water that comes from the mountains, mainly from the Adda River that we saw when we crossed the river. And this river comes from the Italian Alps, from the glaciers, you know, thermal dimension, the view over the mountains. But no one can compare Lake Como in terms of the number of the villas that we have here. Butas-butas yung mga bundok dito sa Lake Como.
Families from Italy, but also from Europe. They wanted to have here their Villa Mianello, Villa del Barbiano, Villa Olmo in Como. A lot of them.
So yan, tunnel na naman. Sigara na sa tunnel dito.
ski
Ayan,
field.
village yun na pinunta namin kahapon.
That divides the lake into two parts, you know. And Bellagio is positioned there, not on this side,
Ayan,
but
tunnel
on the
naman.
other side. You see very well we call the triangular, you know, peninsula that divides the lake into two parts. So Bellagio is beautiful. I mean, it's a very picturesque village. It's a fisherman village with a typical small alley, you know, in the historical center. And the view is beautiful because from there you see, you know, the Alps, the Italian Alps with the snow.
Ayan, tunnel na naman kami.
So it's a very popular destination. Together with we have Menaggio on the other side and Varenna on this side.
Tunnel.
These three
Set.
beautiful
Tunnel.
towns are called the Pearls of Lake Como because of their beauty, their very picturesque villages.
Train na tunnel.
The
na
name
eh.
Bellagio is from a Latin word, Villacus, that means two lakes. You know, the Romans also built some villas here. You know, in Bellagio they discover some years ago some ruins of the Roman villa, because also Alps, in order to paint the landscape, a beautiful landscape to artists, and they took the paintings back to home, and so the view of the Como became very, very famous. This is Varenna. You see the small villages here. And here is
Tunnel
Varenna.
ulit. Tunnel ulit. Ayun, talagang sagana sa tunnel dito sa Lake Como.
Okay, now you see the beautiful view over the Alps, and that is Menaggio, and over there is Switzerland. In that direction is Lake Lugano. Lugano, you know, the city of the Canton Ticino, the area in Switzerland where they speak Switzerland for working, because you know the salaries in Switzerland are higher than in Italy, and this is the very end of the lake, and very soon we turn right. I mean, we go east to Valtellina, to Tirano direction.
puro one way lang. So ito ngayon two way.
You see this, to the left, this installation with the name Valtellina, the name of the valley, with all the flags of the countries who, participated in the Olympic Games.
Здесь было Олимпийские игры сейчас Мадонна. Здесь очень много музей ездит на...
Titigil muna kami, magbe-breakfast daw. Nice breakfast daw. Italian. Tinapay lang naman eh. Tinapay at kape. So napakagandang lugar dito sa ano talaga, Italy. Lalo dito sa Lake Como na dinaanan namin, ang ganda. So itong tinigilan naming area dito bago kami dumati papunta ng Switzerland. Mukha namin nag-breakfast. So ito 'yan. Hotel, restaurante, pero tingnan mo yung mga nila oh. Yung wall nila, talagang bato. Oh, ganda. So dito pala nanggagaling sa Lake Como yung ano, yung black marbles. So ang ganda pala. Ang ganda ng lugar. So ito yata yung lugar dito pangalan. So biro mo yung kanilang tinitirahan, no? Nasa taas sila ng bundok. So nandiyan yung kanilang mga ano, vineyard. Ang dami pala mga vineyard dito. Talagang green na green din pala yung ano, Italy. Direct na yung araw. Ngayon alas 9 ng umaga, pero pag dito ka sa lilim, malalaman mo yung ihip ng hangin, malamig. Kailangan tumayo ka sa araw. So tama, may ano pa sa taas ice niya. Hindi matunaw-tunaw. Ang mga tuktok ng bundok nila. Yung mga ice. So ito yung lugar na tinigilan namin dito. Medyo cloudy doon sana, no? Taas. Mababa yung cloud niya. Tapos yung mga community niya na nakatira dyan sa tabi ng bundok. So sa aking mga viewers, followers, ayan. Gagandang tanawin. At least may share ko sa inyo to. So ito yung coach namin, oh. Assume nga natin itong mga kabahayan dito sa taas ng bundok. So talagang napakaganda ng lugar dito. So yeah, dito ginagawang Olympic. Tapos yung mga vineyard na yan sa taas ng bundok, ang dami. So dito pala daw ang pinakamasarap na na red wine. Saka yung cheese, fresh cheese dito, talagang napakasarap daw dito. Specialty daw nila dito, lalo ng red wine. Ang ganda. So talaga makita niyan, puro vineyard pala ito, puro patas dyan, no? Yung terraces. So ito, heritage pala ito dito, talagang preserve nila dito. Yan, katapos lang ng breakfast namin dito sa tinigilan namin. So now heading to Tirana now.
Of the Swiss Confederation. This was from the 16th century until Napoleon in 1813, when we are going to see by the bus. It's a beautiful Renaissance style church, but we have some of them also around here. And also, you know, we have some fortresses in order to control this area, because here, you know, people move from Northern Europe and enter Italy, try to invade Italy. So that's why it was a very strategical point to observe and to control the area.
So itong railways pala nito, connected dito from Italy, Milan to Tirano hanggang Bernina, Swiss, doon sa border. So mahaba-haba pala itong railways na to.
People live here a little bit more meters of altitude. Irrigate the fields. There are the mountains to the left. You see the names. They are the names of the wines. enter the Bernina Pass, they speak German. You know, we in St. Moritz they speak German, even though they also speak Italian because there are a lot of Italians that work there. Part of Europe.
May sunog sa taas. Sunog sa taas ng bundok. Switzerland. Maliliit lang ang bahay dito.
The train, and it's a natural lake, and you see the beautiful view over the Swiss Alps.
Green. Ganda ng view.
Ой, смотрите, корова.
Kabahayan ng so yan, ito kabahayan na sa Switzerland. Ang ganda ng view ng bundok.
See Val Poschiavo here to the right, the name of this valley. The train leaves at 11:36, but we'll meet at 11:15. Okay, 11:15. We'll meet just here. We show you. Please be on time because the train they don't wait for us. You know. Okay, so we'll meet here at 11:15. Okay, 11:15. Okay. Be on time. Okay, thank you.
So nandito na nga tayo sa Kushabu.
Sana mo ng dalawa.
So ito yung train na sasakyan namin, no? Itong Bernina Express. Ito yung express na sasakyan namin, no? Bernina. Ito, papunta ng St. Moritz. Oh, grabe yung snow sa taas, oh. Lapit na. Kaya lang, di maramdaman kasi terek ang araw. Galing. Galing na. ang lamig dito pag winter. Ang ganda tingnan, no? Puting-puti. So, ito yung sikat na Bernina Express. Yan. Ang haba ng bago na to. Sa 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yan na, umalis na si Bernina Express. So 10:30 pang train namin papunta ng St. Moritz. Haba. So yan yung train namin papunta ng St. Moritz. Ito pang isang train, pero hindi ito yung train na sasakyan namin. So ibang naman to, yung kaya na Bernina. Ferrovia, Gotek. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Fushavu, Switzerland. Pupunta kami ng St. Moritz. So, nag-aantay lang kami ng train. Maglakad-lakad muna kami habang nag-aantay ng train kasi 30 minutes pa. So, ikot-ikot muna kami dito sa village. So, dito sa Switzerland, talagang puro bundok siya. Bundok siya, kaya laging may mga ice sa bundok. Kaya malamig dito. Yan, may snow. Siyempre, pag nag-snow, na-build up na yan ng
Hindi naman necessarily mag-ice.
Ayan, yung bundok nila, namumuti sa snow. So, ito yung village nila rito. Maliit lang. Yan. Tapos, siyempre, mahirap tignan ang dinadaanan kasi natitisod. So, maliit lang. So, tahimik. So, tingnan natin yung mga bahay nila. Ayan na. Yung bricks.
Walang nagpapatugtog.
Tahimik. Walang nagkakaraoke dito. Ni radyo, wala akong naririnig. Napakatahimik na village. Yan. So, talaga napakatahimik. Kahit nga ibon, wala akong narinig ng mga ito. Puro ang ganda ng mga bahay dito. Ito. Yan. Tapos ang bundok nila sa taas. Yan. So at least i-share ko sa inyo dito yung aming tour dito sa papunta ng Switzerland. Yan. So ito ay malapit lang sa yung halos konti pa border ng Italian city tapos sa Switzerland. Pero itong lugar na kung saan kami, ito, Switzerland na ito. Lumagpas na kami sa border. So, yan ang mga bahay dito. Ayan, ang ice, ang snow. Talagang puting-puti.
Cherry blossom. Cherry blossom.
Ayan. So, ang Switzerland, more on ano siya, mga bundok siya. Tapos green. Mga puno. Yun, mga pine tree sa taas. So, napakalinis. Tignan nyo yung kalsada. Napakalinis. Tapos halos walang, kaunti lang daw population dito ng tao. So ito, maliit lang na town dito sa, hello? Huh? Ang ganda. Ito pala kami sa harap ng blossom tree. Ganda.
6. Balik na kaya tayo?
Ayan, maganda ng mga ano kasi mag-spring na siya. So, yan. So, babalik na kami sa train. Baka mamaya iwanan kami. So, please like, share, and subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Ganda ng puno. So, para lagi kayong updated sa aking YouTube channel, ma-share ko sa inyo yung aming napupuntahang lugar. Ayan. Ayan po, sa bawat subscribe nyo, kayo po ay nakakatulong sa akin na makatulong sa kapwa dahil po ang aking channel is for charity. So, tatay na sumasahod na kay YouTube. Lahat po ng kikitain ko ay bibigay ko sa kawang gawa. So, nawa. Patuloy niya akong suportahan at i-follow ang aking channel. Si ate naglalakad ng solo. Tama ka? So, green siya, green na green. Yung iba naman, talagang snow sa taas. Napakatahimik na lugar.
Sa mga retirees.
Oh, bagay na bagay ito sa mga retiree. Tahimik. May radyo nga, wala ko naririnig na radyo. Kung nag-observe ko, baka may nagkakaraoke, wala. So, tama itong mga lugar na ito, mga pang-retiree na gusto ng tahimik na lugar. So, mostly dito sa Europe, yung mga matatanda, retired na, gusto nila ang tahimik na lugar. So, ito yung bahay na to sa gitna. Kuha natin ng snow sa taas. Tayo. Tirik na tirik ang araw dito. Medyo mainit pag nasa araw ka. Pero pag sumilong ka sa lilim, katulad niya naglalakad sa lilim, malamig. Kasi nga dahil yung temperature dito sa taas bumababa, kaya may snow pa. So, ibig sabihin, mataas na bundok siya, hindi basta-basta natutunaw. Kasi yung temperature niya ay mababa pa rin. So, Ferrovia Retica. So, ang oras ngayon dito is 10 past 11. So, maliit lang na tao nito. Ito lang. So yan, pabalik na kami dito sa train station. Dito na kayo magtambay kasi mahirap ma-delay. So, dito tayo sa Pushibo.